8.2 out of 10. We ran the Ninja Crispi Pro through the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system, and the numbers don't lie. Imagine air frying your chicken, storing the leftovers, and reheating them the next day, all in the exact same glass container without touching a second dish. Check the best price from the link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe. So what can this thing actually handle? The Crispi Pro runs 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, max crisp, and re-crisp. In real-world tests, frozen fries went from freezer to shatteringly crispy in under 10 minutes with zero preheating. Chicken wings came out deeply browned and juicy inside in about 20 minutes. The glass container scores a 9.2 for versatility, cook, store, microwave, and dishwasher safe all in one vessel. The one catch is the max crisp mode. It runs almost like a broiler and can overbrown your food fast if you're not watching. That brings the overall cooking performance to an 8.8. Now, daily performance. The modular base adjusts to fit 2.5, 4, and 6-quart containers. That flexibility scores an 8.5. Precision temperature controls go from 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you real control over every cook. 9.1. The heating element underside, though, reviewers flagged it consistently as awkward to clean. That scores a 6.4. It is a single basket system, so you can only run one dish at a time, and that is a real limitation if you are cooking for a full family. User experience. Setup is genuinely fast, and the app-free simplicity works in its favor. The glass container scores high because you can see exactly what is happening inside while it cooks. 8.7. Build quality feels sturdy and premium for what it is. 8.4. The basket alignment is a minor annoyance that reviewers flagged. You need to seat it perfectly every time or it will not run. That drops the overall user experience score to a 7.8. Who is this for? Meal preppers score this a 9.3. Cook once, store in the same container, re-crisp later. Health conscious cooks score a 9.0. Zero Teflon, non-toxic glass only. Solo and couple households score an 8.5. The size is perfect for 1 to 2 people. Families needing to cook multiple dishes at once. This is not your machine. 5.0. Is it worth it? Cooking performance. 8.8. Versatility. 9.2. Non-toxic design. 9.0. But single basket limitation pulls the value score down to 6.5. If you cook for 1 or 2 people and care about what your food touches, this is genuinely one of the smartest kitchen buys in 2026. Check the best price from the link in the description, and we will see you in the next one.